And today I'm here with
Victoria.
And today is a very special day for Victoria. Today she graduated. So tell us a little bit of your experience here at G Skin and Beauty Institute.
Victoria, it's been awesome. I love the community of girls here, lots of hands-on learning, which I think goes very far for anybody that's looking to take their career to the next level, and I love that aspect of it.
Oh my God, that's so amazing. And what has been your favorite part of the program?
Honestly, the learning. I got into this field because I wanted to make others feel better, and I feel that in every service that I give. I can see the people just come in, really tense and uptight, and just instantly relax and walk out glowing and smiling. It just makes me feel good as an esthetician.
And what is some advice you'd give to someone who wants to come here?
Just if you want to do it, go for it. There's so much support here. There's so much love. This is a community and networking experience, and if you're interested in it, go for it.
Thank you so much, Victoria, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Woo!